Welcome back, everyone, to the Crypto Intelligence Portal. This is Covesting here. My name is Nathan.
And I'm Liz. Today's topic, what is an ICO and how do I invest in one?
ICOs, or initial coin offerings, are a new way to raise funds for starting a business. Investors send the startup company Bitcoin or Ethereum, and they receive a new token or coin created by the startup.
The ICO scene presents a unique opportunity to be a part of something. This is the reinvention of the internet through blockchain technology. And while many of these companies will not survive, the ones that do will become massive. Through proper research and patience, the opportunity is one that may only come once in a lifetime.
The most common way to participate in an ICO is by sending cryptocurrency to a smart contract address provided by the company. Many ICOs give a better conversion rate during the pre-ICO phase. For example, one ETH sent to Covesting during their pre-ICO phase netted 300 COV or Covesting tokens. During the public ICO phase, the rate was 200 COV per Ether. It scaled down as more investments rolled in. This rewards early adopters with a better conversion rate. Oftentimes, there's a significant milestone or update in between the pre-ICO and the public ICO, such as a beta release on the platform.
All ICOs work slightly different. Typically, when you send cryptocurrency to an ICO, the company's new token is sent back to the original address. Everything is automated, and all investments can be tracked using etherscan.io. This adds a new level of transparency that does not exist in traditional stock markets.
The risk of investing in ICOs are no different than stocks or other types of investments. It's always possible that a company won't follow through, and they might lose sight of their original vision. Situations like these can cause the price of it to suffer and even become worthless. While IPOs and traditional investing is regulated by governing bodies such as the SEC in the United States, there are no regulations with ICOs. It's like the Wild West all over again. Yeehaw! Decentralization is the best. But remember, do your own research.
If you find an ICO that you are interested in but you can't find information online, proceed with caution. Remember, there is basically nothing that will protect you from an ICO just taking your money. ICOs are some of the riskiest investments you can make in any financial market. While this may sound grim, many companies have produced returns of double, triple, and even 50 times their initial ICO price.
Many projects being started in the crypto world are great ideas in theory, but many have no real benefit from running on blockchain technology. Projects created solely for the purpose of funding your own cryptocurrency are doomed to fail. Just because it's not being done on blockchain doesn't mean it should be.
So, which ICOs are worth pursuing? Evaluating an ICO can be difficult, but with some time and effort, you should be able to determine the project's purpose, the solution, and the future growth it could potentially achieve. All this information should be in the company's white paper.
Most importantly, successful investors came to the conclusion that the company was solving a unique need in the world, and that the token is necessary for their project's ongoing existence. Alright everyone, we'll see you back here for the next episode at the Crypto Intelligence Portal.
Thanks for watching.